Fondation Ducosse MERANT against child abuse. The situation of Haitian children mistreated by Dominican authorities is alarming and unacceptable. These children, often innocent and vulnerable, are subjected to inhumane treatment marked by violence and discrimination. They are deported to Haiti without any support, left on their own in deplorable conditions, with no respect for their fundamental rights. Such practices are a grave violation of international conventions on children's rights, to which the Dominican Republic is a signatory. These forcibly displaced children are deprived of protection and assistance. Their rights to education, health, and security are trampled upon. They are often separated from their families, plunging them into a cycle of trauma and uncertainty. In the face of this blatant form of abuse, we must say no to injustice. It is our duty as a society to denounce these acts and advocate for humanitarian care for these children. Governments, international organizations, and civil society must act to put an end to this injustice and ensure that every child, regardless of nationality, is treated with dignity and respect. The protection of children must be an absolute priority. No child should live in fear or be a victim of systemic violence. It is time to say stop to the mistreatment of Haitian children in the Dominican Republic. Every child deserves to grow up in an environment of safety, respect, and dignity. The Fondation Ducosse MERANT reaffirms its commitment to defending the rights of children and denouncing any violation of these rights, wherever it occurs. We call for immediate action to protect these vulnerable young lives and ensure a better future for every child. Fondation Ducosse MERANT. Thank you.